Okay, this is the first way to make your module using Canvas. Sorry, story lang mo dira. So you can drag files here to add to modules. So kung nakabuhat na kag modules sa Microsoft Word da answer, pwede ra nimo siya ipang drag diri ang quizzes na lang o activities imong i-add. So pwede naka PDF file, pwede naka Microsoft Word, pwede naka PowerPoint, pwede video form. So kung mag-follow tag DSPAC, ilahi-lahi lang nimong file ato tapos starting with devotional, ang file name na lang dayon ang mahimo niyang guide kung unsa na nga parts sa imong module. So, ingani. So, i-rename ko lang ni for the sake of illustration. Okay, devotional. And then you add start off. Pwede PowerPoint.
Basta Manila kayo na makabantay sa QR.
Start off. Open. Okay, it's open. Start off. So again, mao ni siyang process if nakahimo na kadaag module sa imong sa Microsoft Word or sa other files. So it will look like this. Then pasunod na din ang mga P, pursue, apply, and create. Pero the other way is kani siya. Skeleton system. I call it skeleton. So click on this plus module and then write a name. Example module 2, you can add prerequisite here and then prerequisite should be your previous module so that they can open or they can proceed to module 2. They should be able to finish module 1. Then add module. So here, you just need to click plus and then you add page, example page, and then click new page. This will be devotional. So you can type here kung first time pa nimo mag-write. And then add item. Tapos sunod na pod, start off. So start off usually is composed of quizzes or pre-assessment sa tong first na ano, and then add item. And then plus na pod. So pwede nimo siya, ang pursue is a page. So this will be a page. Pursue. And then add item. So kanilang akong example diri sir. So kung under sa mo pursue na kay gusto na page na i-add, pwede lang nimo siya i-indent like new page activity, activity pursue, activity or video presentation, pwede siya i-double indent lang nimo to emphasize that that is under the pursue. Okay, so these are the two ways to put your modules here. Pero, okay, don't forget to publish so that it will be seen by the students. Pero, kani siya, ang difference is ang module 1, katong gipang drag nato na files, na nato siya content. However, kani siya, we need to encode the contents. Next. So, dapat kailangan natong isa-isahon ako sila sa next na video.